Yeah, after using this for 2 months, I just want to tell you my opinion, usage, experience opinion, or review. Not probably the review. How is my exact experience using this Eurocon laptop table? So basically, I use this as the laptop table. See here, this is the laptop table. But one more thing, I'll use this to have my lunch, dinner, or breakfast. Means I'll use this as the dining table also. Just I'll keep my laptop out of this, and I'll be dragging to this my seat, and I'll use this as the dining also. Coming to my user experience, when I drag this, uh, this foot of this laptop table is not that smooth, but it came with this plastic covers or the shields. So yeah, sound is okay, means it gives some disturbing sound. But coming to the laptop table, it is pretty much useful because in the previous days I used to use the teapoy keeping this laptop, and I used to sit on this chair only. And at that time I used to feel some back pain or something like that. Means discomfort. But when now I'm using this, the productivity on the laptop, the work what I do on the laptop got increased. Means I am able to do 50% of the extra work with the same time if I use this table without any issues. Means back pain or something like that. And coming to the design, it's pretty good. And coming to the size, see, I can keep few things over here on the table. I'll keep my TV remote also here, and I'll be using this mouse here. I'll be using this mouse without any mouse pad also. I'll be using this mouse. I'll keep my remote here. So for overall things, this is my TV. This is the Thomson TV, and for overall things, this space is very much enough for me. Means decent. Even though if it has a some more bigger size, my room would be congested. Means it would take a lot of space. This is exactly my requirement. Coming to the width, I'll be posting in the description or in the top of the details of this video. And if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. And coming to the price, I purchased this for 1400, 1300 to 1400 rupees. I don't remember exactly. Anyway, I'll tag this product. You can check for the details. And if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments.